Imagine waking up one day and realizing that your entire world is actually a giant video game. Everything around you, those twinkling stars in the night sky, the trees dancing in the breeze, and even the solid ground you walk on, is part of an intricate simulation. It's a mind-boggling thought. Just think about it. What if every move you make is controlled by someone far away, like a player in a game? The laws of physics that we accept as real could just be glitches in the system. For example, gravity might be a clever trick designed to keep us grounded, like a game mechanic. Now consider this for a moment. Every sunrise you see, every heartbeat you feel, could be programmed just for you. What if your emotions, like love, joy, or sadness, are simply preset responses, like events written into a script for this cosmic game? It's a startling idea. And what if you discovered cheat codes? Imagine being able to fly through the air like a bird, or bend time to your will as if it were a toy. How amazing would that be? But wait, if this is a game, then who is the player? Are we the main characters in this story, or are we just background figures going through our lives without real agency? What if the universe resets every time someone decides to pause the action? Life could be a series of quests, with each challenge pushing you to level up your spirit and grow as an individual. The possibilities are endless. If the universe functions like a video game, what does that mean for how we view our reality? Are we on an exciting adventure filled with thrills, or is it all just an elaborate illusion? The thought is both exhilarating and frightening. What if everything you believe is part of a much larger game? How would that change your perspective on life? Would you approach your days differently? Would you take more chances? Would you actively search for those cheat codes? The more you ponder this, the more questions emerge. It's a captivating idea that makes you rethink everything about existence. What if your life is just a series of levels to conquer, each one teaching you something new? What if every person you meet is a character designed to help you grow? This perspective can open your mind to new possibilities. You might start to see challenges as opportunities for growth rather than obstacles. In this game of life, what if you could choose your own adventure? What if you could rewrite your story? This idea encourages you to dream bigger and embrace the unknown. You might find yourself more willing to explore, to take risks, and to seek out the extraordinary in the ordinary. Life could transform into an exciting journey, filled with surprises and discoveries at every turn. So, next time you look at the stars or feel the wind on your face, remember, you might just be a player in a grand game. The world could be full of secrets waiting to be uncovered. How will you play your part? The adventure is yours to define.